Nowadays, Ultrabook becomes more and more popular. Tomek the laptop Muslim, Manabrand like Pull, Huawei, Lenovo, Dell, Asus remove the net port. So how can we get it? Now, Totolink U1003 will help. This is Totolink U1003 Hub. It has 3 USB 3.0 port, a gigabit the net adapter, and suitable for Windows, MacOS, Linux.
Boost 3.0 port combines it for power charging, data transmission and quick mobile device. You can enjoy gigabit network speed with Ethernet adapter. The lead indicator let you know the network status at toggles. Just plug in your look boost port. Connect Ethernet port with your connectable. Let's try speed test.